Hello everybody, today we are visiting the newest Tesla Superchargers here on the South Las Vegas Boulevard and East Warm Spring Road, which is right in the parking lot of the South Premium Outlet, as you can see right here. And from this image we can see there's 28 stations, so it is pretty awesome. And here we have a great view of the Premium Outlet. And here you can see it is a massive supercharging station. Now let's do a quick run through, and as you can see we have all these superchargers layout, and it provides us 250 kilowatts, so it is pretty fast. And you can just park over here for 30-35 minutes, and then you can go inside of the mall. There's also food courts, you can shop and everything, so basically you can feed yourself and feed your Tesla. And there's also restaurants in multiple other places around this area, so it is pretty awesome. Like, Tesla has great thinking to provide us a supercharging station next to the Premium Outlet and few miles from the Las Vegas Strip on the south side. And while you're charging, make sure to use my referral code link, which can be found in the description box below, of some amazing Tesla products.